You understand? It's like me see the girl take her money and pay intense for a collab. The whole and say she fuck for collab. Only this and that like what am I telling you the pussy blood clot. None of them even happy. Act like say, boy, yeah. You get a good feature with a big artist. You understand? No, una bring her. Boy, I don't know what one person. What I love to ask you now. What she do now? What she really and truly do now? But I love to ask you now. All I know, come know someone now watch you live. What she do now? Wanna know her in a real life? Wanna know her in a real life? What she do now? But I love to ask a good question. And I love when I ask me, what is good to make me hate her so? What she do now? I love for me. I love for somebody come and send me a request. What she do now? Because one person can't have so much enemy, dog. One person can't have so much enemy. Me no know. Me dey even say, mama, me dey even see Kizzy as a person where dip on live and a cuss with nobody or nah them something they like people ever talk about her and talk bad about her. You understand? I'm nah see mama answer them. You nah see mama dip on a live ya cuss the person, next person they live a cuss. You nah see them something there. You understand me I try say she always hold out. And when people dip on her name she always hold out. Big woman thing man. Like me I talk to a good source and them call me cause and I tell me where she a go through boy I'ma feel some type of way still. Me not gonna tell no lie. She feel some type of way only make it look like say mama kill somebody or mama rob somebody or whatever. All she do is the person where drive mackerel car, the brother want sleep and she is mackerel can drive, she can drive, so all mackerel car go move. No more she have to drive it. She get out her friend car where drive her and go in a mackerel car go drive. So it's help she help out the situation. And I look at accident one. You don't need a better story than that. She decided to give a hand. You understand what I try to say? That's all. And I look at accident go on. Remember saying you know, she in a fear friend car, you know. Fear friend already a drive. She in her friend car. Mackerel in a fear car. With our driver. Our driver want to sleep. Out of the four person, who's gonna drive Mackerel car? No more she. Half she, bro. She come out her friend car, go in a Mackerel car for assist Mackerel. You understand what I try to say? and bring her down to the ground, and enough of una in the on this live meeting an accident already. Enough of una upon the live meeting and bring her down. Someone say she fit dead, someone say she solved, someone say this before, and say boy, we're glad to the 2-star them good because Mackle and Kizzy are star, we're glad to them good. We want to see them back on me, we're glad them good recover. Now, yes, Mackle deserve everything what she get right now. I'm glad Mackle get even more than what she even deserve because everybody come together, including me, and help her out. You understand what I say? That's a blessing. But want me to Kizzy now. She in a mental breakdown right now. You understand? She in a really good mental breakdown right now. You don't look good, man. I tell you, you don't look good. Because me personally text her and say, boy, nobody else just say me help you fix my krill car. But I don't know. She used her last savings. I will get Mackerel a new car. Because Mackerel car was fixable because you know. Tell MSB me I come. Tell him say I'm talking. Tell him say me I come. No, nobody over here now say Mackerel wrong or whatsoever. We're not talking about who wrong from who right. Nobody's over here talking say Mackerel is wrong. We're just talking about Kizzy mental and how people is angular on the media. You see what I try to say? Nobody not over here talk about who wrong from who right. Nobody not over here talk about that. So the door come change up my argument in the comment section. Please come moderators them there. You understand? The moderators them there. So as I may say, it's not a matter about you can't depend media if you're too weak. You understand? Weak is not for the media, but this is more than weak. What Kizzy about you is more than just being weak. It's more than just being weak, bro. Where you see everybody don't find you one bad man and nobody at all no like them dislike you for some reason. You don't know. That's a different thing than just being weak on social media, brother. I see people comment and say, Mama try sacrifice mackerel for boss. Hey, you know disgusting, you know? Only disgusting you fuck. Me I tell you that. You only disgusting a bumbo clad. Boy. Me say only some mama sacrifice mackerel for boss. Yo, social media people are fucked up, you know, brother. Hey, that's why sometimes you're not even wrong. That's why sometimes you're not even wrong, Ivan, if you diss up some of the bumbo clot, you know. That's why people like Ivan and some people are not hard for you know, are ready for diss on you know, because Ivan is not going to make you diss or she not diss no back, you know. You understand? That's why some people just diss and run all of some on you know. And no, you see what I say? Because choose someone in a press button and come live. Only in a comment section for bully people and feel like say it nice. True a we up on the camera now and you can see we and we are reading the comments them. Only feel like some of the upper hand. Only feel like some of the upper hand for diss people and bring down people and then laugh. That's why some creator just this in the blood clan even business.